Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create mock-ups with your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Click apps, then click design essential. Now you can scroll down and try to find mock-up 3D. Transform your designs into realistic mock-ups. With just a click, you can overlay your graphic designs onto devices. This enhances the realism and appeal of your product presentation. More models to come in the future. You can click use in your design. Let's use Instagram post aspect ratio. And here we go. So you can choose a model here on the bottom here. There is a lock icon here. It means you have to subscribe. Here, for example, I want to design a, let's try the pump bottle here. So here you can adjust the angle, or you can add shadow, nozzle color here, the black one, for example, brightness, here we go, and simply click add to design. So this is the mock-up. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.